Baby, malaki ka na, 7 years old ka na. Sana ipagpatuloy mo na lagi kang energetic na papasok sa school. Happy birthday, Ria!
Experience a sight that's never been seen. Discover a feeling unlike anything. Oh, awake in the moment, here and now. Discover it all.
Happy birthday, Rian! Happy birthday, Rian! Happy birthday, Rian!
Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
Happy 7th birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging good girl kapag laki mo lagi. Tapos, bawasan mo lang yung kakulitan and tigas ng ulo mo. Ha? Makinig ka lagi kay Daddy Lo at kay Lola. Siyempre kay Mami din at kay Daddy. We love you. Happy birthday.
Just stop and listen and feel again. It's time to breathe, it's time to begin. Oh, and this is the moment, here and now. Discover it all. Discover the new, open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light, I hear the call. Discover it all.
Ria, I just want to greet you a happy 7th birthday. Gusto kong malaman mo na mahal ka namin ng daddy mo. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay ay matupad. Siyempre, gusto namin makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral at andito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Basta lumaki kang mabuting bata at may malasakit sa kapwa. I love you!
Discover it all.
Alright, of course, without them, ladies and gentlemen, our celebrants' life would be empty and unhappy. So let's also give a big round of applause to honor all the people whom our celebrant truly love. Sabi nga po nila, marami po tayong mahahanap na kapuso, pero iisa lang ang tunay na kapamilya. Ladies and gentlemen, our birthday girls' proud parents, let's give a big hand for Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Jeneline Lubina. Once again, friends, the proud parents of our birthday girl, Sir Ryan and Ma'am Jen. Muli po palakpakan naman po natin sila. Thank you so much and good morning po. She was born on December 4, 2017 at Makati Medical Center in Makati City and is the only child of Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Jeneline Lubina, who are so proud to celebrate this milestone with all of us today. At just 6 years old, our celebrant is already making her mark as a bright and creative young girl. She is currently a grade 1 pupil at ELR Westville Integrated School, and in her free time, she loves to watch videos on YouTube and enjoy children's shows on Netflix. She's also a budding artist who adores drawing and coloring. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her the warmest welcome as she makes her grand entrance, accompanied by a delightful dance performance by the Bantayog community.
Hello mga bata! Good morning po sa ating lahat. So, narito po tayo ngayon sa birthday ni Rian. Ready na po ba kayo? Ayun, so 7th birthday na nga po ni Rian. So, masigabong palakpakan naman po dyan.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for the beautiful and our bubbly birthday celebrant, Rian Janelle A. Lubina. Followed Ria by her family and friends, ladies and gentlemen, our birthday girl, Rian Janelle. Once again, another resounding applause. Mas masigabong palakpakan naman po para sa ating napaka-cute na birthday girl. Hello, Rian!
Let us put ourselves in the presence of God. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Dear Lord, we praise you and we thank you that we gather here today to celebrate the 7th birthday of Rian Janelle Lubina. Thank you for her life and good health. We thank you, Father, for this wonderful day that you have given us. Lord, I pray to you to bless this child. Bless her to become successful in all aspects of her life and be with her always. I pray, O Lord, to continue to bless her and her whole family so that she may enjoy the goodness of life through you. Father, bless all the people gathered here today. Bless the food, the place, and the people behind this wonderful event. I am asking for your forgiveness on the wrongs that we have done. Help us to praise you and glorify you through Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is our great pleasure to welcome you all in this celebration. I would like to take this moment to thank you everyone for coming here dito sa 7th birthday ni Rian. Ngayon po sa celebration ito, napakahalaga po sa amin at syempre nandito kayong lahat dahil special din kayo sa celebrant at sa aming pamilya. Kaya nandito kayo. Ngayon naghanda kami ng programa para sa ating lahat. Sana po mapasaya po kayo at sana mapasaya natin ang celebrant. Again, welcome everyone and good afternoon.
Play the music, DJ. Picture po nung may birthday nung 1 month at dalhin po sa harapan at ibibigay po namin ng cash na 500 pesos. Nasa envelope po na po siya pink. One. Okay, meron po ba? Sample lang po yun, sample. Maraming salamat. Napakabuti niyo po talaga. Pag pera po talaga, mabilis. Okay, so sa first game namin, pagbibigay po kami ng tsokolate. Okay, so maraming pong salamat. Okay, first bring me to all kids. Balik muna kayo sa inyong mga mamit, daddy. Go, go, go. Okay, bring me. Get ready. Bring me or naunahan. Bring me, una-unahan magdala sa akin ng cellphone. Cellphone charger. Charger! Cellphone charger, not cellphone charger. Bilis, 1. Charger, bilis. 2. 3. Okay, may nauna na. Okay. Yes, thank you, ate. Okay, next, bring me again. Bring me or una-unahan magdala sa akin ng pinaka-cute na baby. Wow! Meron bang baby rito? Meron ba bang baby? 10. 1. Baby. Ay, wala. Sayang. Baby dumulog na yan eh. Baby. Ay, baby yung name niya. Napansin siya. Okay, next. Dito madami. 2 tsokolate po ibibigay po namin. Wow! Bring me una-unahan magdala sa akin ng maming chismosa. Huh? Kung meron, dalhin sa harapan. Bilis! Bilis! Kung meron, dalhin nyo ha, pag-proud kayo. Go! Bilis! 10! Nako, bilis! Meron ba rito? Meron ba sa mga guests natin? Ay, wala. Ayan, sayang. Kala ko may chismosa dito. Okay, next. Una-unahan magdala sa akin ng lipstick. Sino may dalang lipstick? 10. Okay, asan po? Wow! Maraming salamat po. Tatlo po sila. Tigi-tigisa. Yes. Sige, kunin mo. Ayun natin, oh. Thank you. Okay, let's bring me. Bring me or una-unahan magdala sa akin ng national ID. So now you know the game. Sino may dalang national ID? Okay, may nauna na po, tita. Magpabaya kayo sa iba. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, next. Dito, madami dito. Una-unahan magdala sa akin ng maming mataba. Bilis, maming mataba. Patabaan. Sino mas bilis? Sino mas mataba sa inyong dalawa? To be honest. Okay, 2 na lang daw silang mataba. Sige, wait lang. Thank you, mami. Thank you. Ayan, pataba, palaparan sila. Okay, last. Bring me. Una-unahan. Magbigay sa akin ng cash na 500 pesos. Una-unahan magbigay ng 500 pesos. 10, 9, 8, 7, up! Sorry. Balik nyo na yan. May nauna na. Okay, balik nyo na yung 500. Maraming salamat. pwede ka nang maupo. Please sit down. May problema ba kayo? Sabi ko, una-unahan magbigay ng 500 pesos. Yung binigay niyong 500, malaking tulong po yun para sa aming foundation. Palakpakan po natin yung mayaman. Maraming salamat po. Okay, next game. About naman to sa my birthday, kung talagang kilala niyo yung ating birthday celebrant. Unang tanong, ano ang kanyang full name? Full name ng my birthday.
Rayan Junel.
Tama yun, sir?
Roland S. Guillermo.
Tama. Mali.
Rayan Junel.
Full name, kulang.
Rayan Junel Lubina.
Yes, okay. Pwede na to si ate. Abaw. Okay, next. Ano ang, siguro naman hindi halata. Ano ang kanyang favorite cartoon? Favorite cartoon ng my birthday?
Apat sa Kuromi.
Kuromi, favorite cartoon? Yes, abang, galing nga. Ay, ito medyo mahirap naman po ito. Sobrang hirap po nito. Ano po ang favorite fruits or prutas ng my birthday?
Grapes.
Grapes? No, mali yung grapes. Mali. 10, 9, 8. Sino nakakaalam? Favorite food? Okay, favorite prutas?
Rambutan.
Ano rambutan? Favorite fruits, rambutan? No, mali yung rambutan. Ano? Yes? Favorite fruits, rambutan? No, mali. Kung ano yan?
Apple.
Apple? Yes, aba. Sabi nung mami mo, mangga. Minsan mangga din daw pala. Okay, next. Madali lang po ito. Ano pong trabaho ng mami ng my birthday? Trabaho po ni mami. May nakakalam po ba sa likod? Wala nakakalam, hindi nila kilala. Bilis. Sa likod, may nakakalam. Ako nilalapit. Ano ang trabaho ng mami ng celebrant?
Accountant.
Accountant po kayo, mami? Yes. Chismosa kayo, Kabisyado,
Accountant.
Tapos na, kagawad. Nasabi na. Okay, next. Ano naman pong trabaho ng daddy ng my birthday?
Banker.
Banker po kayo? Wow, kabisyado ni Tito, Kabisyado, bisita lang kayo, kabisyado niyo, Parang magkamukha kayo, Magpinsan, Hindi, sige, hindi ka daw niya kilala, Bala kayo dyan, baka magkapatid kayo, Okay, stop. Okay, next. Ilang taon na po yung mami ng celebrant? Music. Ilang taon na po yung mami ng celebrant? Yung mami po nung may birthday. Sa likod. Para meron kayong prizes. Come on.
30.
30. 30? Mali yung 30. Kuya.
36.
36. Mali yung 36. Ako, Diyos ko. Si ma'am, wait lang. Sige, ma'am.
35.
35, mami? Mali yung 35. Sir.
28.
28, mami. Tama, 28? Mali yun. Ata si nanay.
37.
37. Yes, 37. Ito medyo mahirap. A game. Ilang taon na po yung daddy ng celebrant?
38.
38, sir? Galing mo, ang bilis mo, Naisahan mo ako dun, Ito, yung may birthday nagsabi nito kanina. Ano po ang favorite ulam ng my birthday every dinner? Madalas tong ipaluto sa 20 katulong. Ano ang kanyang favorite ulam? Hotdog? Strong. Mali yun. Meron siyang sinabi kanina. Ano ang kanyang favorite ulam? 10. Okay.
Adobo.
Adobo is correct. Yes, ang galing ni Kuya. Halika rito, Kuya. Naisahan ako dun, Ang galing ng batang yun, Naisahan ako, Okay. Pause. Saan binaril si Dr. Jose Rizal? Music. Ay, medyo mahirap po yan, Ito si ate. Halika, ate. Sige, halika. Ano sa likod? Itong aga-aga piloso po. Saan binaril sa likod? Ikaw ate, mag-vitamins ka ha? Meron? Okay, si Tito, si Kuya. Go Kuya.
Bagong bayan.
Bagong bayan is correct. Okay, stop. Ilan po?
7.
Mali yung 7! Si ate, si ma'am.
0!
Okay, wala yun dahil si Snow White po yung meron. Pabigyan po sila ng prize.
Of course, the candles signify lights and guidance in the celebrant's life journey. They serve as a reminder that she is surrounded by people who will guide her path. So 7 special people will have been chosen to light a candle and share their heartfelt messages and wishes to our celebrants. So let's call on first Lola Isabel Alcantara.
Hello, baby! Happy birthday! Malaki ka na. So, ipagpatuloy mo yung masipag kang mag-aral. Gustong-gusto mong pumasok. Kung minsan, kung walang pasok, nagagalit siya kasi gusto daw niyang pumasok. Wish ko lang sa'yo, baby. Sana lumaki kang successful sa pag-aaral mo at lalong-lalo na yung sana ikaw ay lumaking healthy and strong. I love you, baby. Happy birthday.
Yeah, palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you so much po, Lola Isabel. And next for our 7 candles, it's called in Lola Rosalina Lobina. Let's also give her a big hand.
Happiest birthday, Apo. May you have more birthdays to come. Good health always, long life. You see the world in with your good and happiest moment. Enjoy your special day, and I love you so much.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Rosalina, for your wish. Let's give a big hand for Lola Teresita Flores.
Hello, Ria, Apo o anak. Happy birthday. Napakaswerte mong bata. Halos na sa iyo na lahat. Maganda, matalino, at mayaman. Napakaswerte mo talaga, Apo. Sana, wish ko sa iyo, ipagpatuloy mo yung talino mo sa pag-aaral, maging mabait na bata, masunurin sa magulang. And I wish you na lang happy birthday, anak.
Yeah, thank you po. Maraming salamat po, Lola Tere. Ayan, photo ops po muna with Ria. Moving on, let's call in our next member for our 7 candles. Palakpakan po natin si Lola Elsa Galvadores.
Hello, Ria. Happy 7th birthday, Ria. Wishing you a day filled with fun, laughter, and so much love. May the year ahead bring you happiness, wonderful moments, and good health. Keep being curious, creative, and kind, and always stay as adorable as you are. You bring so much joy to everyone around you, and we all love you so much. God bless. Pahag naman para kay Madam Lalad.
Maraming salamat po, Lola Elsa. Mag-stay po muna para po sa photo ops. Picture po muna. Ayan. At tawagin po din natin ang isa pa pong Lola. We have Lola Evangeline Plaza. Palakpakan din po natin si Lola Evangeline.
Happy birthday to you. May the Lord always protect you and your family and guide you always in all that you do. Always remember that we are here for you and we'll always support you, wishing you the best, everything in life. I love you and God bless you.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po, Lola Evangeline, Ma'am Evangeline. Yan, Rian, dami mong mga lolang nagmamahal sa'yo. You have 5 lolas here. And proceed po tayo sa ating pang-6th member of our 7 candles. Sa mga tita naman po tayo, let's have Tita Heidi Quizon. Palakpakan po natin si Tita. Ayan.
Hello, Colette. Thank you for being a gift not only for us but for everybody around you. Continue being a good girl. Listen to Mommy and Daddy, Daddy Lo and Lola. And we will always be here for you, Tita Heidi and Tita Son. Happy birthday and I love you.
Oh. Yan, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Heidi. And to complete the set of our 7 candles, let's now give a big hand to the loving and supportive mother of our birthday girl, Mami Janeline Lobina. Palakpakan po natin si Mami Jen.
Ria po, first of all, gusto ko malaman mo na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy. Sa birthday mo, I wish na sana lahat ng magiging hangarin mo sa buhay, lahat ng papangarapin mo na makabubuti sa'yo ay matupad. Sana lumaki kang successful, matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo. Andito lang kami lagi nakasuporta para sa'yo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Yay. Thank you so much, Mami Jen. Photo ops po muna, photo ops. And for your last candle, and may all the wishes of your 7 candles come true. Once again, friends, let's give a big hand to our birthday girl and to the members of the 7 candles. Tokens of love and gratitude to our celebrant. These gifts symbolize generosity, care, and the importance of giving and receiving love in her life. So let's now call on the members of our 7 gifts. Siguro po minsan na lang pong pumunta dito sa harapan. Let's have... Wow! Yes! Okay. Oo. Memorize nila, di ba po, na sila yung members ng 7 gifts. So we have Ate Jelsie Lubina.
I wish he has more birthdays to come.
Oh, more birthdays to come daw, Ria. You proceed to Ria's side. Doon ka muna na. Next, how about you? What's your wish for Ria? Okay. You give your gift to Ria na. Ayan. Next, how about you? What's your message for Ria? You stay beside Ria na.
Rhea, sana gumaling ka sa exam and then be kind and be smart every day.
Thank you.
Ayan, dahil dyan perfect niyang exam sa 3rd quarterly assessment. Okay, hi! It's your turn! Okay. Your message for Ria?
Happy birthday, Rhea. You're ready 7B. You're so fast to write and you're so good to draw at school. Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you, baby! Okay, it's your turn. What's your message for Ria?
Happy birthday, Leia! Ang galing magka-test paper kasi nakasulat ka na. Tapos naka-study ka na.
Very good ba si Ria sa school?
Yes!
Perfect niya ang exam?
Yes!
For that, magkakaroon tayo ng another celebration. Yes, ayaw nila. Okay, thank you so much, baby. Picture muna, picture muna. Who's next? Ezekiel. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Your turn.
Happy birthday, Rian! That's it?
That's it daw ba? Do you want to say something more? No more. Okay, thank you. Picture muna, picture muna. Picture muna. Look at the camera, anak. Okay, next will be Ate Chelsea.
Happy birthday, Ria. Be safe.
Okay, and then we have our 8th member of the 7 gifts. Numer. Okay, your message for Rian.
Happy birthday, Rian. Good health. God bless you.
Good health and God bless you, Daria from Numer. Okay, thank you. Picture muna, anak. Alright, and then of course we have Sebastian. Okay?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rian. I hope you like this.
Alright, thank you so much to all the members of our gifts. Once again, would like to call you all for the group picture taking. Lahat po ng nagbigay ng gifts. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ria. Happy birthday, Ria. Happy birthday, Ria. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ria. Ria, make a wish and then blow your candle, anak. Make a wish first before blowing your birthday cake candle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. pulo din misteryoso. Di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapagkita, daliwa sa iyong salita, pero ayokong magduda pagkalang sa simula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan, sana ay maibsan ang aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream, baby. Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin kanyang tunay na pagtingin? Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo ba sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin, kailan niyo ba ako papansinin? Mirror, mirror on the wall, please tell my Prince Charming, I'm waiting for this fall. Bakit ba pasikot-sikot, para ba pinapaikot-ikot talaga? Mag-isa na ba talaga ang next move mo? Gusto ko lang naman malaman, ano ba ang katotohanan? Oh, better say it now, it's not too late. I'm ready to be called a princess, hey. Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Maniwagan sila
Sabihin niyo lang po yung title o yung pamagat ng song. First Music, ito ay pinakabagong kanta. Sobrang dali lang po nito. Ayan, First Music. Ito po ay pinakasikat ngayon. Bago po ito, kaya hindi kayo mahihirapan.
Oh, sir. Ayan, alam na alam.
Banyo queen?
Banyo Queen is correct. Kabisado ah. Pangalawang music. Kabisado ng bata ah. Okay, next. Ten. Okay, si Tito. Modelong charing is correct. Okay, lapit po tayo, sir. Iyan, modelong charing is correct. Okay, next music. Naku, madali lang po ito. Puro bago po ito, hindi kayo mahihirapan. Title.
Top Hits Karaoke.
Karaoke pala to. Mali na i-download ko. Title. Ten. Title. Bilis, takbo sa harap. 9. 7. Bilis, takbo. Ayan, tall kids, tall parents, lahat pwedeng sumagot.
Left, left, love, begin.
Mali. Mali. Ha? Sige, baka sakali.
Sana, ngayong Pasko.
Sana ngayong Pasko is correct. Yes. Okay, next music. Oh, galingan nyo. Puro bago po ito.
Macarena.
Background lang, background. Naghanap akong tugtog, ha? Para hindi bored. Background lang, wait lang. Excited naman to si ate. Wait lang, siyempre naghanap pa ako ng tugtog. Sige, bigyan mo tama, Macarena. Ayan. Okay. Ma'am, anong name po?
Aileen po.
Paano niya po yung may birthday?
Apo.
Apo? Ilan taon ka? 60 ka na ba? Sige, po, bahala kayo dyan. Ma'am, anong name po?
Army po.
Paano niya may birthday?
Friend siya ng daughter ko po.
Friend siya. Classmate na din. Si ma'am po,
Rosel po.
may problema? Akala ko may problema si ma'am. Sige, paano niya yung may birthday?
Pamangkin po.
Yun. Hello po ma'am, paano niya po yung may birthday?
Apo po.
Po, may regalo po.
Siyempre naman.
Wow, sana all. Anong name po ni ma'am?
Marge.
Paano niya po yung may birthday?
Classmate niya yung anak ko.
Classmate yung anak. May regalo po.
Siyempre,
Wow, sana all. Okay ma'am, anong name po?
Robelin po.
Paano niya po yung mami nung may birthday?
Classmate po ng anak.
Classmate yung anak niya yung mami nung may birthday? Ang gulong kausap ni mami, nalito ata si mami. Yung mami niya. Yung gulo, okay. Ma'am, hello po. Mukhang bigating kayo, ma'am, ah. Mukhang big time po kayo, ah. Ma'am, kaano niya po yung mami nung celebrant?
Kaibigan.
Yung bata po, yung may birthday.
Classmate ng anak ko.
Yun, may regalo po kayo.
Of course.
Wow, sana all. Sa boys tayo. Sir, kaano niya yung may birthday?
Katropa ng mga anak ko.
Yun, ang magandang katropa ng mga anak. Si boss. Uy, ito para malaki may problema, parang lasing. Anong name po?
Brian po.
Yung bata. Riyan, kaano niya po siya?
Pangin ko.
May regalo.
Meron.
Sige, meron. Parang napapilitan na. Sir, kaano niya po, sir?
Pamangkin, sir.
Pamangkin. May regalo po.
Meron naman.
Okay. Hello po, Tito. Kaano niya po siya?
Apo.
Apo. Si Tito po.
Pamangkin po.
Pamangkin. Si Tito?
Pamangkin ng misis ko.
Pamangkin ng misis nyo. So, hindi nyo pamangkin? Hindi. Sige. Ayan. Ikaklaro lang natin, ha. Sa game na to, maglalabas lang po muna kayo ng pera. May minimum po sa game. Hindi po sa lahat ng birthday laging libre, ha. So, sa game na to, may minimum 200 po yung pinakamataas sa game na to. Wow! Yung pinakamababa po, 100 pesos. 5 seconds, mag-prepare po muna kayo ng inyong mga pera. 200 pinakamataas, 100 pinakamababa. Ganito yung pasilan ng dalawang boys, okay? Ilan po ang inyong sir, ma'am?
100.
100. Si ma'am?
100.
Mukhang nag-usap kayo, ah.
200.
Uy, sana all may 200.
200.
Uy, 200.
200.
Yung totoo.
200.
Hindi masama loob mo. Hindi. Sige, si ma'am po.
200.
200. Si ma'am.
200.
Okay, so si sir, ilan po yung sa inyo, sir? 101. 101? Sige, bahala kayo. 101. Si boss?
200.
200.
200.
200.
150.
150. 200. Si boss?
Wala pera.
Ilan? 40. Sige, pwede na pa siyang awa, 40. Uunahin ko po yung 200. Kayo po yung 200, ma'am. Dito po tayo. Tapos yung 40, dito ka buena mano. Dito ka sa kabila, ma'am. 140 at 200. Magkakilala po kayo? Okay. Pag natalo kayo dito, announcement, wala po itong bawian. Pag natalo, sorry. Pero pag panalo, swerte. Kanina masaya din sa kasal kasi panalo dun 18,000 kasi medyo marami yon. Pero konti na tayo. Pero may malalaki pa rin naman to. Gunting, papel, bato, mabilis. Bato, pick. 1, 2, 3. Bato, sample. 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bigyan niyo po yung 200. Ganun lang kabilis, okay? Sample lang po yun, ha? Kasi hindi siya kailangan may trial. Kabado si Tito, kabado eh. Okay, stop. Game. Ready, game na to. 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bigay niyo po yung 200. Wala na pong trial. Ganun po talaga. Pwede na kayong maupo. Okay, tayo. Next. Ayan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bigay mo sa kanya, sir. Pati yung pera mo, bigay mo. Binubog sa mga kasali yung puhunan mo doon. 140 yun. Okay, dito po tayo, 200. Ayan. Already, ha? 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bigay mo sa kanya lahat. Wow. Ma'am. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bigay mo sa kanya. Bang, galing ni Tito, 200. 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bigay mo sa kanya lahat. Okay, dito tayo. 101. Bato, pick. Ganyan na. 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bigay mo sa kanya lahat. Yes. Dolo tayo, 200. Medyo nakakaranda po sila sa inyo, ha? Biyanan mo pa pala yan. Naku, 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bigay niyo po sa kanya, lo. Huwag niyo siya papauwiin mamaya doon. Nandiyan patali manugang niyo, ha? Okay, dito tayo dito, sir. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bigay mo yung 200. Wow, 50. Ito ka. Ang galing, Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bigay mo sa kanya lahat. Aba, galingan nyo. 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bigay mo sa kanya. Last. Naku, galingan nyo. Bato, wait lang. Bibigyan po kayo ng magandang laban. 3 round para maganda. Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait lang, baby. 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. 1-0, panalo po siya. Meron pang dalawa. 1, kailangan po nila, payat po yung anak niya. Papacheck up po nila yan, ha? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Wala pong ganun, ate, ha? Mag-move on ka na, ha? Wala pong ganun. Gunting, papel, bato. Ready, ha? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Wala nga pong ganun. Ano ba? Ang kulit-kulit mo. Mag-move on ka na, girl. Okay? Gunting, may anak ka na, ha? Gunting, papel, bato. 1, 2, 3. Bato, pick. Bigyan niyo po sa kanya. Palakpak po para sa big winner po natin. Dito po tayo, ma'am. Okay, stop. Okay, wait lang, ma'am. Harap po tayo sa... Ma'am, kaano-ano niyo po yung celebrant?
Klase po ng anak ko.
Klase. Ilang kayo nagpunta ng party?
3 po.
May regalo po kayo?
Meron po.
Anong pangalan po ng mami nung... Ano po pangalan po ng mami nung celebrant?
Nakalimutan.
Nakalimutan mo, lakas mong kumain ng salad, di mo kilala? Hindi mo kilala. Okay, so bago ang lahat, ma'am, ito po yung my birthday. Meron ako maliit na istorya. Kanina dun sa wedding po namin, napakabait po nung ninong. Hindi, wala pa ako sinabi. Grabe naman kayo mag-react. Hindi, istorya ko lang. Dun sa Bani yung wedding, napakabait. Kasi panalo kanina doon, 18,200. Hindi ko pa po siya tinatanong, pero binigay agad dun sa nagkinasal. Ngayon, ma'am, yung bata po nandito po. Nandiyan po yung mami at daddy niya, kaharap nyo po. At marami po silang pamilya dito. Inimbitahan po kayo kasi may tiwala po sa inyo yung mami at daddy. Papipiliin ko lamang po kayo. Okay, wag po kayong umiyak. May problema po. DJ, okay. Yung perang hawak nyo, maraming nalungkot, maraming natalo. Mabait naman po ba kayo sa inyong anak?
Opo.
Classmate po ng anak nyo, ang saya-saya po ng anak nyo, tama. Ang sarap po ng spaghetti. Ang sarap po ng chicken. Dalawa po ang pagpipili. Yung perang hawak nyo, umarap po kayo dun sa mami, medyo suplada po yung mami, ho? Ay. Ngayon, kilala nyo na yung mami, ha? Yung po yung daddy, nasa likod po. Tatanungin ko po kayo, yung perang hawak nyo, ibibigay niyo po ba dun sa bata or ireregalo niyo po sa kanya?
Regalo.
Ba't parang umiyak? Ito to, ireregalo. Okay, palakpak naman para kay mabait ni ate. Okay, pakibigay na po sa bata, baka makalimutan. Go. Yes! Okay, stop. You say?
Thank you.
Okay, sino po yung mga talo? Taas po yung kamay. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, so we now come to the next 7s. This time, let's have the 7 treasures. Okay, where 7 significant individuals will present po symbolic treasures to our celebrant. So let's now call on the 7 members of our 7 treasures. First on the list, we have Mr. Lucas Espiritu. Sige, Lucas. Okay, so on behalf of Lucas, okay, si Mami na lang daw po ang magbibigay ng message for Ria.
Happy 7th birthday, Ate Ria. May God always provide you the most precious things in life. May all your dreams and wishes come true. God bless.
Happy birthday. Study hard and God bless your family.
Thank you so much, Ate Bless. You stay beside Ria for the photo ops.
What day? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ria. Salamat na in-invite mo ko sa birthday at sana paglaki mo makapagtapos ka ng aral mo.
Happy birthday, Ria. Stay humble, be kind, and study well. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Yes.
Hello, Ria. This gift is from Tita Ajen. Wish ko lang is stay safe and sweet and may God guide you as you grow older. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ria.
Happy birthday, Ria. Sana tong gift ko makatulong sa pag-aaral mo. Happy birthday ulit. To hand in a rose and to have a dance with our birthday girl, tawagin na po natin si Daddy Lo Eduardo Alcantara. Once again, friends, let's give them a big hand. Daddy Lolo Eduardo Alcantara and our birthday girl, Rian. Next in line, let's call in Tito Jason Cuison. Huwag niyo po munang iiwan po ang ating birthday girl habang inaantay po ang next na member po ng ating 7 Roses. Moving on to our second member of the 7 Roses. On the dance floor, friends, is Tito Jason and, of course, our birthday girl, Rian.
let's now move on to our next member of the Seven Roses. Sir, wag niyo po munang iwan si Rhea. Let's have Tito Jonathan Lobina. Next in line, friends, let's call in Tito Jefferson Lobina. Palakpakan din po natin si Sir Jefferson. This time, let's call in Tito Joseph Lobina Jr. Member of the Seven Roses, let's now call in Kuya Joan Lobina. The last dance for the Seven Roses is always spent for the celebrant's most special man in her life. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome for the Seventh Roses, our celebrant's father, Mr. Ryan Lobina. Let's give him a big hand.
you will see the morning will come, and every day will be bright as the sun. All of your fears, cast them on me. I just want you to see I'll be your cloud up in the sky. I'll be your shoulder when you cry. I hear your voices when you call me. I am your angel. And when all hope is gone, I'm here. No matter how far you are, I'm near. It makes no difference who you are. I am your angel. I'm your angel. I saw your teardrops and I heard you cry. All you need is time. Seek me and you shall find. You have everything and you're still lonely. It don't have to be this way. Let me show you a better day. You will see the morning will come, and all of your days will be bright as the sun. So all of your fears, just cast them on me. How can I make you see? I'll be your cloud up in the sky. I'll be your shoulder when you cry. I hear your voices when you call me. I am your angel. And when all hope is gone, I'm here. No matter how far you are, I'm near. It makes no difference who you are. I am your angel. I'm your angel.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give another resounding applause to our birthday girl, Ria, with her loving father, Daddy Ryan. Maraming salamat po. The best attire or dress is no less than Clarine Nebriel. Yan, congratulations to Clarine. Clarine, halika na. Come here. Ayan. So, where did you get your dress? Mami, but did you know that you win today's best dress? So you have just won a cash prize coming from Mami Jen. What will you say to Mami Jen? Sorry po. What will you tell to Mami Jen?
Thank you.
How about to Ria?
Thank you, Rian. And happy birthday.
Yay! Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat po ng kids na nag-effort po ng kanilang outfit for today. Thank you. At sa mga mommies po na naghanap pa talaga ng outfit ng kanilang mga babies, maraming salamat. Okay! Kids, ready na ba kayo for our magical show?
Okay, sabihin niyo malakas, magic. Yung mas malakas. Okay, palakpakan muna. Maraming salamat. Ba't may magic syrup doon? Play mo. Okay, once again, masigabong palakpakan muna guys para sa ating birthday celebrant. Thank you.
Report, you know. Report, you know. Report, you know. Report, you know. Verano, ey, 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 ey. Verano, ey, 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 ey. Report, you know. Verano. La bomba. La bomba. La bomba. La bomba. Report, you know. Report, you know. Report, you know. Report, you know. Verano, ey, 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 ey. Verano, ey, 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 ey. Report, you know. Verano. La bomba. La bomba. La bomba. Report, you know. Report, you know.
Okay, so I need a volunteer. Kailangan ko ng isang batang lalaki na matapang. Sige, halika kuya, halika. Naka-green daw, halika, sige, halika. Halika kuya. Ayan. Palakpak muna guys para sa ating special guest for today. Oh, pogi dito ah. Parang kilala kita. Lahat ng birthday nandun ka. Sabi, dahil mong kamag-anak ah. Di ba alam mo na to, hindi pa? Hindi pa, sige. Anong pangalan mo?
Dustin Yuan,
Ilang taong ka na?
13.
May girlfriend?
Wala.
Boyfriend?
Wala.
Ano gusto mo? Lalaki, babae?
Babae.
Yan. Sinong kasama sa birthday party? Mama, papa, pamilya?
Lola.
Asan si lola mo? Turo mo yung magandang lola mo. Ayun. Anong pangalan niya?
Belen po.
Ha?
Belen po.
Sabi mo, lola?
Lola Belen.
Paalam.
Paalam.
Ay, nagpapaalam na po yung po nyo, nanay, he. Okay, kaano-ano mo yung may birthday? Wala, nakikain lang. Sinama lang ni lola. Kaano-ano mo? Pinsan, kamag-anak, pamangkin, ano? Hindi mo alam. Kunin mo nga yung, yung puppet natin. Kunin mo yung puppet natin. Ayan, okay? Kunin mo na doon yung bag. Nandyan yung bag. Okay, bago ang lahat, kuya, anong grade ka na sa school?
Grade 8 po.
Grade 8. Favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Favorite breakfast bago pumasok sa school?
Itlog.
Ang itlog. Itlog talaga. Okay. So ngayon, kuya, favorite superhero, Batman o Superman?
Superman.
Sigurado ka?
Opo.
Promise?
Opo.
Hindi ka bading?
Hindi.
Totoo?
Opo.
Sige, labas mo. Labas mo yung kamay mo, dalawa, ganyan. Yan. Pakita mo yung muscle mo. Yan. Okay, talikod ka, talikod. Ayan, special guest. Ilagay mo dito yan. Baka baliktad na naman yan, ha? Kanina, baliktad na yon. Hindi. Sige. Okay, ngayon, kuya, harap ka muna rito. Kaano-ano mo yung mama ng may birthday?
Parang tita ko po kasi asawa po nung tito ko yung kapatid ko.
Anong gulo mong kausap? Tito ng tito mo ng tito. Sige, wag na tayo mag-istoryan. Anong pangalan na lang nung mami nung may birthday? Anong pangalan ni mami?
Nalimutan ko na ko.
Yung daddy ng may birthday. Kilala mo yung daddy?
Oo.
Anong pangalan ni daddy? Pangalan?
Ryan po.
Sigurado ka? Oo. Si mami? Sige ngayon. Ganito Turo mo yung magandang lola mo. Turo mo si Nanay Belen. Turo mo. Yan. Turo mo namin yung mama ng may birthday. Ayun. Yung papa ng may birthday. Ganun ang gagawin mo. Tapos sila yung magbibigay sa iyo ng pera. Gusto mo ng pera? Hindi.
Gusto po.
Sige, talikod ka. Music ka, DJ. Yung sa'yo muna, background. Okay, so bago ang lahat, bago tayo magtapos, masigabong palakpakan muna para kay Coco Martin. Say hi! Hi! Say hi! Hi! Nakakahiya! Ang pangit ko. Turo mo si Nanay Belen. Nanay Belen! Turo mo. Kasalanan mo to! Turo mo. Sabi mo magmimerienda lang tayo. Turo mo. Pinahiya mo ako. Huwag kang magalit. Okay, kaya nag-aaral ka pa ba? Opo. Saan ka nag-aaral? Private school. Saan yon? Polinaria. Okay, favorite subject? Fried chicken. Subject, math or science? Mathematics. Aba, sample, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5 plus 5, sardinas. Okay, favorite breakfast, hotdog. Favorite lunch, hotdog. Favorite dinner, hotdog. Turo mo yung daddy ng celebrant. Yang pogi na yan. Turo mo yung daddy. Nung may birthday, turo mo. Tito, turo mo. Magbago ka na. Turo mo. Lumalaki na yung anak mo. Turo mo. Okay, bagong lahat, baba mo yung kamay mo. Turo mo naman yung mama ng may birthday, yung maganda't mayaman na yon. Turo mo. Tita, turo mo. Baka naman, 500 lang. Ang baho ng suot ko. Uy, kalalaba ko lang yan. Ang baho kaya. Okay, bagong lahat, kuya, anong favorite sports mo? Basketball. Okay, yung pinaka-paborito mo, Lucky 9. Sinong kalaro mo? Si Kagawad. Anong nilaro nila? Tong-it. Sinong kasama? Si Kapitan. Sino kasama? Si Mayor. Huy, mami magalit sa rin. Joke mo yan. Okay, ngayon kuya, sasayaw tayo ng budots. Yan, dito sa ulo. Yan, kuya, budots na music, ha? Pag ganito, kuya, pag ganito, mabilis, okay? 500 to, naka-ready na si daddy doon. Galingan mo, ha? Play the budots, kaya DJ. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop. Palakpak muna guys para kay kuya dahil dyan bibigyan ka namin ng pera. Music, ibalik natin kay MC. Maraming salamat.
Lives us in O. Muli po palakpakan naman natin si Kuya JR. At syempre kay Coco Martin na talaga namang napaka-pogi. Congratulations. Alright. Sige po. Of course, alam, dami pa natin, Ma'am Jen. Ang dami pa. Parang wala pa yatang umuuwi. Parang ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng hosting na talaga namang yung mga bisita natin ay nag-stay from start to the end of the program. Palakpakan naman po ninyo yung mga sarili po ninyo. Maraming salamat. That was a love. That was a true love. Ayan. True love exists for, of course, Ria and her family. Of course, today's celebration po tells me that the best demonstration in response of a gratitude like this one can be contained in an overwhelming thank you. Muli po maraming salamat for making me a part of this wonderful celebration and for joining us in this momentous occasion. But if there's one person who is very much happy to see all of you po, that is nothing or no one but our birthday girl, Rian or Ria. Kaya naman, Rian, Janelle, would you like to say thank you to all your guests for coming here?
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy and Tita Heidi and Tito Son and Daddy Lo and Lola for coming in my birthday. And thank you, classmates, for going in my birthday. And everyone.
Thank you, Rian. We are very much grateful that we are all here to celebrate this special day of yours sa 18... sa debut po ba ulit? Okay, sa 18th birthday po ulit ni Rian. You're all invited. So once again, thank you so much. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Before po natin i-end, pwede po ba tayong isigaw lang po natin ang isang happy 7th birthday, Rian Jan? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy 7th birthday, Rian! Thank you so much, everyone. That concludes our celebration. God bless. And mag-ingat po tayong lahat sa pag-uwi. Maraming salamat po!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.